This is Ipek. Today I have another delicious recipe for you guys. If you want to learn these type of Turkish recipes, or if you want to learn how to cook just a normal any food that you can imagine, go ahead and subscribe my channel and let's get started. Today's recipe is going to be delicious hot dog for breakfast. Yes, you heard right, hot dog for breakfast. As always, first thing first, we are gonna start heating our pan. 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I know most of you gonna be surprised because people doesn't eat hot dog for breakfast here, but in Turkey we do. That's why it's not something different for me. But when I first made for my husband, actually he was so surprised. He was like, "Are we going to eat hot dog for breakfast?" And he was like, I'm not sure about that. I don't know if I like it, but he loved it. He loved it in the first time, and he keep asking me to make almost every breakfast. He loved that much. I'm cutting my hot dog. Don't cut too big, don't cut too small. And I make my husband's family try it too, and they were all first like, I don't know, let's try it, whatever, but then they love it. When your oil is hot, you can understand it from, you can see the movement. It's move all the way around so easily. That means your oil is hot. At this part, I'm adding my peppers and hot dogs. And let them cook. I'm cutting my tomato. I'm gonna need half of tomato. One tablespoon of tomato paste. And our tomatoes. Breakfast table is ready. I'm going to first try hot dog. It's delicious. Try this. I hope you guys like it. It's perfect for breakfast, but also you can eat lunch, dinner, doesn't matter, every time. This is so delicious. See you guys in the next videos. Don't forget to like my video.
And subscribe to her channel.